Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market, the Nifty closed at 16,720, and I had told you that 16,800 is of course a very important resistance that needs to be watched out. So we are actually very close to the major resistance. But along with that, there are a lot of things that happened over the weekend, which we discussed yesterday in the evening market meet that we had at MPI Invest. So, of course, continuation to that, the US markets were down on Friday after the Snapchat results came, which was not really good. And after that, also on Friday, we could see the DIS selling, DIS buying for 739 crores, while the FIS again started selling for 675 crores. So, after that, this week, of course, is something that needs major focus. There are two things. One, of course, the major results have come in the last weekend, that is Infosys, Reliance, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank. So with all these four results, these four stocks are to be watched today. In fact, Reliance came with really good results, but even more amazing was a blockbuster result from ICICI, and Kotak also has come with good results. Infi did come with a decent result, but I would say the guidance for next quarter and this financial year is something that is looking really good. So even though the margins are under pressure because of the cost of employment, but of course things are kind of still, that was kind of expected, isn't it? IT sector, all of us know that it has been happening. So that's something that would see the market actually reacting to, because of course they are all heavyweights in the Nifty 50. So let us see how they are going to hold the market today, especially when the Nifty is set for a gap down opening. Yes. So after the US markets closed in the red, today morning the SGX Nifty opened with a big gap down, and from there it has been kind of recovering of late, and things are looking better, but still we are expecting a gap down opening today. So gap down opening is one way good, because we are holding some good positions in the gold club, which can actually turn profitable. And apart from that, if you look at the market as such, things with all these new result data coming, so we need to see how these heavyweights can move the market today. So if you look at SGX 50, as of now it's trading at 16,687. So we could expect a opening around close to 16,700 in the Nifty today. So that's something that we can watch out. But if you look at the Asian markets as of now, Hong Kong markets are down 0.67%. China is down 0.49%. Shanghai is down 0.29%. Nikkei in Japan is down by 0.63%. So most of the Asian markets are kind of trading in the red as of now. Apart from that, Korea is the only market in the Asian side, if you look at, is actually trading at 0.35% plus, which is kind of okay. So if you look at the Dow futures are also kind of slightly negative right now. And with all this, we could probably see a small weakness in the market. But then yes, like I've been telling you, after so much of rally, there are people looking to book profit, so that can actually happen, and if that happens, we could see some fall. But 16,600 is a major level to be watched out. If 16,600 is not broken, we could see the market kind of stabilizing and can start moving towards 16,800. But then 16,800 is a major resistance, which needs actually a lot of power to break it, and if at all 16,800 is broken, we could actually look forward to 17,000 also achieving soon. But then of course for this, the major support from FIS is needed, so they have to start buying again to actually see 17,000 numbers again. So that's something that needs to be watched out. Apart from that, if you look at some stock specific news, Tata Motors again is in news, as they bagged an order for 1,500 electric buses from Delhi Transport Corporation. So that's awesome news. In fact, Tata Motors results are also due for this week, so we could see some good movement in Tata Motors. Pharma stocks would be in news because Sun Pharma and Glenmark are recalling products in the US, which is one of the largest market for medicines, due to lapse in the manufacturing process. So because of which actually we could see some negativity in the pharma stocks today. So let's see how the pharma stocks behave after this news. So apart from that, like I told you, the major results that we need to look out for today, apart from of course the results that have come, is Axis Bank, Tata Steel, Tech Mahindra, Canara Bank, So these are the major results that are coming up among other companies today, and this needs to be watched out. And like I told you, Tech Mahindra is a stock which is of importance to us. We have invested good amount into that. So of course we are expecting some slight negativity compared to last quarter, but then after that probably the stock should recover is what I feel. Axis Bank is expected to come with good results. Tata Steel results may be in pressure because of all the taxation issues that's going on. So with that, that's the kind of expectation that we can look at. And based on this, also there is also news of Tata Steel stock split. So all those is something that needs to be watched out for today. Apart from that, if you look at, like I've told you, the major support has to be seen at 16,600, which is if that is broken, 16,500 and 16,400 next. But on the higher side, 16,800 is the major resistance that needs to be broken. So that's something that we need to look forward to. However, it doesn't look like 16,800 will be broken for this week unless FIIs go on aggressive buying, which doesn't look for now until at least the Federal Reserve data is out on Wednesday. So that's something that we look forward to. So with that, wishing all of you a great week ahead and looking forward to yet another profitable week ahead. So with that, this is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do press the like button and share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, you should consider subscribing so that you get the latest updates directly notified on your phone. So this is Srikant signing off. Goodbye. Have a profitable day.